you can see the section line in TV unit that we are cutting the object from the center. So on the basis of the section detail, we will see only in the wooden part and open shelf detail. So just copy and paste. And fill hatching in all thickness of the objects. Now it's becoming section part. This one is called, now this drawing will called section. Section A or B, depending on the name of the part. And section B. For section B, first we will rotate the drawing. Same, Excel enter, V enter. So this one is A section. Follow the section line 1, 2 and 3. Wall and large size of the board. For fast working, we will follow the elevation reference in section part. How? Excel enter, H enter. In elevation and in section, in both part, sizes will be same, height will be same. Excel enter, H enter. So this one is skirting, this one is top finish, this one is side section. So the skirting part and the height will be same. So this one is wall, draw all, skirting, wall and finish on the basis of the elevation part. Excel enter, H enter. Also draw the top part of the elevations and this one. Now delete all extra lines. Right, this one is top part. So in this part we will mention the ceiling area, and this is the limit. So on the basis of the section part, we can see only wall, and also we can see the side view of the open shelf like this. So this one is bottom storage items. Measure thickness of the board. So this one is section, so it is important to measure the material finish of the object. So this one is the side view of the side boxes, and also choose the height of the ledge. So we will use approx 10 inches. Like this. right? Same process for opening shelf. Excel enter, H enter, partition of this open shelf, delete all extra lines, and mention thickness of wooden part. Trim and trim. Select, make a copy and paste. This is the method for section part. And mention hatching on every partition of the wooden area. Where is your wall? Choose wall material. So this one is section. So also mention the section name and mention object details. Object detail means this one is wall. Every detail, base ply board, this one is open shelf, this one is bottom, skirting part, everything. But on the basis of the detailed drawing, we can see these types of detail. Also we can work like this, that we can mention the every minor detail of the object, something like this. Like this one is 50 by 50 and 4 mm thick SS sheet, amethyst steel framing, painted and cut out details. This one is section part. So this one is bottom drawer and 6 mm thick tempered glass, plywood thickness, 20 mm thick stone cladding, and the section part, something like this. This is called the detail. So your task is that you will design a wardrobe plan, elevation and section. Then you will submit with details elevation, with details TV unit. Wardrobe design, wardrobe plan, elevation and section you will design on the basis of reference. Right? It's your assignment.
We should draw wardrobe, sir?
Yeah. So I will forward you complete detail of this part. Okay.
Okay.
So you can use in your drawings tagging and some decorative blocks. Then after this we will work on the ceiling plan, then we will start the kitchen details. Clear? Okay. Any doubt?
Sir, what you said, sir, our task?
Your task is that you will design a wardrobe plan